Hello, welcome back to another installation of Would Lew Do. Today, I have a most unfortunate video for you, but if I must, I must. What we're looking at today is the Seagate hard drive here, and I'm going to tell you my experience with this hard drive. Now, I'm sure a few of you may have seen on the community tab, I made a post regarding all of my videos going poof up into thin air. And this was the hard drive that held it all. At the moment, my over 50 videos are just kind of in limbo. These are at Walmart for like $60, I believe. Yes, I know, good old Walmart, right? But for a long time, the drive worked fine. But all of a sudden, it just stopped working. And so what happened is that I was transferring last few videos onto the drive and it just kind of froze. It froze the entire computer. So I had to improperly shut the computer down. And then afterward, the hard drive just no longer would register. Like you did not see it. You could see it when you went into the deep search, like disk manager or device manager, and and things like that. But it from that point forward, it would not register. It read zero information on it. So I was like, wow, don't tell me that all this stuff just disappeared. We did all the typical suggestions. Try a different cord, try a different port, try it on another computer. Did all that stuff. Same thing, not registering at all. Eventually, I took it to a local computer shop, and just for them to tell me, hey, is this drive any good? If not, can it be salvaged, right? Like, can you possibly pull information off of it? And long story short, they couldn't rescue any data. They said that, they were having the same problem as what I was. That made things look even worse. Luckily, I found out that the drive was still under warranty. The one perk, I'll say, the one perk is that Seagate, they offer, at least with this drive, a one-time, like free data recovery. And that's actually what I wound up doing. I have sent that to them for them to attempt to recover the data. So I don't have the actual drive here to look at. I forgot to do this video before I sent it off. Up until now, like I said, I didn't really have any issues with the hard drive. Not that I noticed anyway. It was kind of slow, with transferring, especially like 4K videos. Holy moly, it is slow transferring those videos. It's kind of to be expected, right? Because these cost, like I said, $60 for 2 TB, whereas like Samsung or SanDisk, right? Those for 2 TB on sale, right now, they're about 140, 150, but they're usually even more. That may be an indication of the quality and the reliability of these. This specific one only comes with, there's a 2-year warranty. This one crapped out on me right before the 2 years was up, right? And so this August, um, this thing will have expired. And so luckily it happened to me right before. Now I say luckily, it's not going to be very lucky at all if they can't get any data from it, because then all of my hours and hours and hours of videos are just gone. And there's a lot of videos down there that I can't redo. Right? I'm already beginning to redo some of them now, because now my lighting is different, my sound is a little better. So I was like, well, I'll go ahead and start redoing some of those, the ones that I can. But most of them, I can't redo them because things that were in time happening at that moment, right? I can't go back and replicate them. Like, say, if it's a pipe burst or something, right? I'm not going to go and make the pipe burst all over again to show people the repair, So there's certain things, man, I am not going to be able to do video on again, unfortunately. And I thank Seagate so much for that. Now, to be fair, hard drives, they have their expiration date, right? They build them to expire. And this is no different. The reliability, right? The duration rather is so short. I mean, you don't even realize how fast 2 years goes, right? I can't believe it's almost 2 years since I bought this thing, and I didn't use it all the time. That's what's crazy about it. Like, it's just like these parts are built to just degrade over time, not necessarily with use. And so I just figured I would make this video for you guys to warn you guys that I would say stay away from these. I know they're cheap, it's very tempting to get one, but unless it's a backup for a backup, I really would stay away from these because let me tell you something else. Before I get into the story here, like I said, I've already sent the drive off. There's nothing, I can't show you the drive or anything, but this is what it would look like. Okay, and you would have a little indicator light right there that it's working, it blinks and so on and so forth. It is very slim. It's a nice design and everything. It is not a solid state drive, right? So you feel the little disc circulating in there. Yeah. So I'm not going into all the specifications for this because I'm not trying to get any of you guys to actually get one of these. I'm trying to warn you to stay away from them. So let me tell you my experience. Chatting with the customer support or lack thereof. Right? So I get on a chat with these people, right? Because I had to wait for 5 o'clock traffic to pass. So I'm like, okay, well, this would be a perfect time for me to chat with them and take advantage of the warranty. I knew it was under warranty by my receipt, but I went to the website and typed in the serial number and it lets you know whether that warranty is still good or not. It was, but the thing that I saw, right, because I was like, dude, they're going to give me another hard drive if it is. I didn't even know that they had a free data recovery offer as part of that warranty. Right. So when I saw that, I was like, oh, great. So I got on there and decided to, chat with them about this. And so I went through and had to explain my story to the first person, getting all this information, everything that happened, what's the serial number, all this different stuff. Which is funny because the chat bot asked you a lot of these questions beforehand, right? But this like the people aren't reading the information I've already input. So I find myself repeating myself over and over and over. So I'm dealing with the first person, and he says, oh, okay, great. Let me transfer you to a colleague. There's more waiting, right? Because I had to wait for quite a while before this person even showed up. Then the next one is a lady, same thing, repeating the information, going through and reading. She was saying she was having problems, connecting and all this stuff. So long, drawn out situation, only to be transferred to yet another person, right? Because we were trying to figure out what was going to happen. Were they going to replace this? Were they going to recover the data? What was going to happen? And I was like, hoping that there was a way they could do both, right? If they could just somehow make it to where I could get another drive for the meantime while they attempted to recover the data, right? Because this can take up to a month, 30 business days. Now that's not including the weekend. If you're just saying like 5 days, right? You say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It could take as much as 6 weeks before I get this thing back. According to them, that's about the max time. And they're like, well, please understand it's, we're trying to be very careful and be patient and blah, blah, blah. And it's like, yeah, I got you. But what am I supposed to do about a hard drive in the meantime, right? And yes, when if they recover anything, they'll send it back on a new drive. If they don't recover anything, they will still send back another drive. But again, there is a big gaping hole right now because one, I don't have all these videos, and two, I don't have anything to store them on. So unfortunately, I have to go buy another drive. And I tell you, it ain't gonna be no Seagate. It's either gonna be the expensive Samsung or the expensive SanDisk. And it's probably going to be the Samsung T7 Shield. I've heard a lot of great things about those. Yes, they are very expensive. I would rather go for the four terabyte, but it's over $200 like on sale, and I just can't bring myself to pay that much for a hard drive. Now these also are solid state drives, right? So there's no moving components in here, right? There's no little disc that's going to, and no little track and all these moving parts that are going to eventually fail. No, nothing spinning in those things. It's just solid. But those obviously are more expensive. So that's also another reason that it's a step up from these, but they're faster, they're more reliable, and they last much, much longer. But they are much, much more expensive. So I'm looking at one at Best Buy, 2 terabyte for about 140. I've got a 10%, I've got a $10 coupon with Best Buy. So it's going to come out to about 140 even with tax and all. And again, I really don't want to pay that. I wish that this thing would have just continued to operate as it was, but it did not. So again, it took me three people to get this situation straightened out. It took me 3 hours of talking. It's funny, right? It's like I gave an hour to each person. And I kept expressing to them, man. It's like, dude, you don't understand. All my YouTube videos, poof, gone. Right? Hours, over 50 videos, just hours of footage gone, man. And when you're setting up a camera, setting up shots and getting everything ready, it takes even longer. So we're literally talking about weeks worth of time just gone. And they didn't really seem to care. That's the other thing that I really did not appreciate. They didn't seem to care. They do the typical, oh, we're so sorry to hear this. But at the end of the day, they really didn't care because they tried to act like they were doing me favors by having the warranty, what was already covered in the warranty, right, provided for me. It's like you have to, you got to do it. It's not an option. It's in the warranty. Now, it would have been one thing if the warranty would have been out and they're like, well, look, since this happened, we're still going to recover your data for free. We're going to attempt to, right? Because even that, they kept stressing, oh, it's not foolproof. It's not foolproof. It's not a sure thing. And so it's like, I'm still not all that hopeful, that I'm going to get anything back. It's just a nightmare, man. And again, they didn't seem to care at all. And I don't know if other companies offer something similar to where, while it's under warranty, they offer you a free one time data recovery. I don't know if others do that, but I would say that that is um, one perk I guess you get with the Seagates here, but at the same time, it could also be an indication that the products aren't very good, so they're having to attempt to retrieve people's data because those things are crapping out on people. I don't know. I mean, I just don't know. And I didn't even use the thing that much. That's what really irritates me, is that after a couple of uses, you know, it's dead. It's done for. And it takes all my data with it. So I'm really hoping that these people can recover this because if not, boy, I will never, ever, ever touch a Seagate product again. Don't get me wrong, I'm already at that point, but if like anyone ever mentions it, I would be like, stay away from them. Stay away. Don't ever go towards Seagate. You see this symbol? You see that symbol? Stay away. Avoid it like the plague. Sea plague, right? Or oh, what I told one of the customer service reps, while I was talking to him, I was like, "Oh, great, more waiting, right?" Because I waited so long. I mean, obviously 3 hours, right? It was a long wait. And so I told him, I was like, you know what? Yeah, when I have to, you know, share this experience with people on our YouTube channel, my nickname for you guys is probably gonna be Sea Wait. And he actually thought that was pretty funny. I tried to keep it lighthearted, but at the same time, it's a sensitive topic. All your information just boom gone, and them just being like, I can't do anything. Oh, I don't know. And I was like, dude, you guys need to take some pointers from Amazon, right? Because Amazon, when it comes to problem solving, say what you will about them, they usually always find a solution for us when we have like damaged products or used products or you know what I mean? Like there's usually a desire to want to please you rather than just like, well, this is what we offer. I can't do anything else for you. That to me, just total doo-doo customer service and just overall a doo-doo product, right? So again, I figure I should get on here and warn you guys, right? Because now, like I said, I'm having to redo all these videos, man, and I'm gonna keep doing. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing them, especially some of the old ones that I was like, those could be redone anyway. Just because I'm not gonna wait 30 days and then figure out, and then only to find out that it's like, well, you still have to redo them. So. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on some of that, and yeah, we're gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep moving ahead, regardless of what happens with this. We're gonna keep on going. Life sometimes throws a monkey wrench straight into your face. It hurts a little bit, but you just shake it off. Keep going. Keep going. Anyway, that's about all we have for this video. Got plenty more videos coming up for you guys. So to stick around, not only, bringing you guys products that I use and stand by, and of course, other things, right, that I've tried out. And it's like, you don't want to stay away from this. And of course, more tutorials and different types of videos like that, so just ask that you hang in there with us. And if you find our videos helpful, we just ask that you strike that like, smell that bell, subscribe and vibe with us, make us feel all appreciated, and show me some love and whatnot. And because we appreciate you guys for watching. And as we always say, seek ye the Lord while he may be found, call upon him while he is near, because he is near unto those to be of a broken heart and save such that be of a contrite spirit. Draw near to the Lord, and he will draw near to you. Right? He gives grace to the humble, but he resists the proud. So cast yourself down before the Lord, and he will lift you up. Till next time, we say take care and God bless.